Have you ever had your flight delayed and worried about your hotel check-in? It's such a stressful feeling, right? But it doesn't have to be. Today, we'll learn how to call a hotel about a late arrival. You'll pick up useful phrases for asking about parking, food, and safety too. Let's learn together and feel confident on your next trip.
Hi, I'm calling about my reservation.
Sure. How can I help you?
I have a booking for tonight.
Okay. Can I get your name?
Yes, it's under Kim.
Got it. Let me check that for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I found your booking.
Oh, great. So here's the thing.
Sure. Go ahead.
My flight got delayed.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
So I'll be checking in really late.
No problem. How late are we talking?
Probably around midnight.
That's totally fine with us.
Really? Oh, that's such a relief.
Yeah, we have a 24-hour front desk.
Oh, perfect. I was so worried.
No need to worry at all.
Will my room still be available?
Of course. Your room is guaranteed.
Even if I arrive after midnight?
Yes, it's held all night for you.
That's so good to know.
Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes, a few things.
Sure, I'm all ears.
What's the check-in process at night?
Same as daytime. Just show your ID.
Oh, that's easy enough.
Yeah, it only takes a few minutes.
Do I need my booking confirmation?
It helps, but it's not required.
Okay, I'll have it ready, just in case.
That's a good idea.
Oh, one more question.
Sure, what is it?
Is there parking at the hotel?
Yes, we have underground parking.
Is it free for guests?
The first night is free.
Nice. And after that?
It's $10 per night.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's pretty reasonable.
By the way, I'm arriving by taxi.
Oh, okay. No parking needed then.
Right, but good to know for next time.
For sure. Anytime you need info, just call.
So about the taxi, any tips?
The airport taxi stand is the safest.
How much is it usually?
Around $30 to $40.
Okay, that sounds reasonable.
Just make sure to use the meter.
Oh, good point. Thanks for that.
No worries. Happy to help.
I'm a bit nervous about arriving so late.
Don't worry. The area is very safe.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Yeah, there are lights everywhere at night.
That makes me feel much better.
Glad to hear that.
One more thing about food.
Sure, what about it?
Will anything be open that late?
Our restaurant closes at 11.
Oh no, I'll be starving by then.
But we have room service until 2 a.m.
Oh, really? That's perfect.
Yeah, the menu is in your room.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is really popular.
Ooh, I love pasta. Sounds great.
The sandwich is good, too.
Maybe I'll try both.
The flight delay made you hungry.
Exactly. Waiting at the airport is the worst.
I totally understand.
Is there a convenience store nearby, too?
Yes, just a 2-minute walk.
Oh, nice. That's super close.
It's open 24 hours, too.
This hotel location is really convenient.
Thanks. We hear that a lot.
I can see why. Oh, one last thing.
Of course. Ask away.
Can I get extra towels in the room?
Sure, I'll have them ready for you.
Wow, you think of everything.
We try our best for every guest.
I really appreciate all this information.
Anytime. That's what we're here for.
You've made me feel so much better.
I'm glad. Just travel safe tonight.
I will. Hopefully, no more delays.
Fingers crossed. We'll be here waiting.
That's so sweet. Thank you again.
No problem at all. See you tonight.
See you later. Bye.
Goodbye. Have a safe flight.
Welcome back, everyone. Hope you're doing well.
Imagine your phone dies right when you need it most.
Scary, right? But sometimes a kind stranger saves the day.
Today's conversation is full of polite, helpful phrases. You'll learn how to ask for help and say thanks. Let's dive in.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hey, no worries. What's up?
My phone just died completely.
Oh, man, that's the worst.
I know, right? Could I borrow yours for a quick call?
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind.
No problem at all. Take your time.
I just need to call my friend real quick.
Go ahead.
She was supposed to pick me up here.
Ah, I see. That makes sense.
It's not picking up.
Maybe try one more time.
Okay, let me try again.
Sometimes people miss the first call.
Still no answer.
That's rough. Voicemail?
Yeah, it went straight to voicemail.
Maybe send her a text instead?
Oh, good idea. Can I?
Of course. Go for it.
Okay, sent. Thank you.
No problem. She'll probably reply soon.
I hope so. She's usually fast.
Then don't worry too much.
I feel so lost without my phone, though.
Yeah, I totally get that.
I don't even know the time without it.
Seriously? No watch?
No, I stopped wearing one ages ago.
Same here. Phones replaced everything.
It's kind of scary how much we need them.
For real. Maps, music, everything.
I can't even remember phone numbers anymore.
Nobody can. That's totally normal.
So, yeah, I forgot to charge it last night.
Classic mistake. What happened?
I was watching videos until really late.
Yeah, that drains the battery so fast.
It was at like 15% when I fell asleep.
And by morning, totally dead.
Exactly. So frustrating.
I've been there so many times.
Really? You too?
Oh yeah, all the time.
That makes me feel so much better.
Everyone does it. Don't worry.
Do you carry a portable charger?
Actually, yeah, I carry one everywhere.
That's so smart. I should get one.
Definitely worth it. Saves me every week.
How much was yours?
About $20.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, pretty cheap for how useful it is.
I'm going to order one tonight for sure.
Good call. You won't regret it.
Wait, do you have yours now? Can I charge mine?
I do, but it's a different cable.
Oh, really? What phone do you have?
Android? You.
iPhone. Of course it's different.
Yeah, that always happens.
Why can't they just use the same cable?
Right? That would make life so much easier.
My battery has been terrible lately anyway.
How old is your phone?
About 2 years now.
Yeah, batteries get worse over time.
Wait, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's totally normal.
Is there anything I can do about it?
You could just replace the battery. Maybe $50.
Oh, wait, she just texted back.
Nice. What did she say?
She's 5 minutes away.
Perfect timing.
I'm so relieved. Thank you so much for everything.
Anytime. Glad I could help.
You really saved me today.
It's no big deal. Seriously.
I'll definitely get that portable charger.
You should. No more dead phone problems.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Hope your friend gets here soon.